Second tree this morning. He's almost to the top. I'm going to step back because I don't know how far a coconut will fall from the tree. I've never seen that before. What's it called?
It's a seed.
And it's good to eat? Dario, tell us what's happening here. What's happening here? What's he doing?
This is dehusking. This is breaking the shell.
All right. Now, what will happen to all those husks over there?
Heater by burning.
Oh.
Burning that under.
Oh.
And with the break coconut shell on top.
Very good.
Yeah. The meat is this soft and rich in carbohydrate. Yeah. It's soft.
The meat is thicker.
Yeah. You can mix this with sugar and make it into a cocoa candy.
Oh.
Nice, oh?
Oh, she's sorting those particular coconuts.
Yeah.
She's putting them aside because they're sweeter. There are two kinds here.
This costs higher. The price of this is higher than the nickel.
Oh, okay.
Because this has so many uses. And seldom you can find this here.
Oh, another worker.
So this is only it will take only about an hour. For two.
Now the spear-like thing that's used to dehusk them, is it made here?
Yeah. It's iron, then fastened to a wood, so that it will be stable. It has 3 legs.
Right. So you find the special tree with 3 legs.
Yes.
There's already a sprout. A sprout coming out of these coconuts, isn't there? They're already starting to grow.
Yeah, because some of the nuts were fallen from a tree long time ago.
All right.
So that it can be harvested, it can be processed at the same time. Yeah.
I love how everyone gets involved.
Buligi, para makita ko yung kwan sa Amerika. Yeah. I told them to help all of them. This is one family. Yeah.
Yep.
To remove this clean before it will be arranged on top of the cocoa bean, for reasons that if this will not be removed, the fire that is left under might coat. This is inflammable. A fire is hazard.
Why doesn't the cocoa bin burn down?
The fire is being controlled.
Yeah, like smoldering rather than a big fire.
That is the reason why these husks are being removed, to avoid coat by the fire under, and then put it on top, then arrange on top.
Oh, wow.
After breaking, you have to clean. Yeah.